In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix the error message that comes up whenever you're starting up your computer, which says startup repair cannot repair this computer automatically. So to fix it, go ahead and click don't send, this particular one. Then go ahead and click view advanced options. Now select your preferred language and click next. Here you want to go ahead and select the user and input the user's password if it has one. If it doesn't have anyone, just go ahead and click OK. Now go to system restore, this particular one, and go ahead and click it. So go ahead and click next. Now at this point there could be multiple restore points, so go ahead and click show more restore points and scan for affected programs. Now once it adds extras, go ahead and select the one that is more up to date, because that's the one that is more important. So go ahead and click next. Now finish, just click it, and once started, system restore cannot be interrupted, so click yes. Now you let everything load. Now go ahead and restart your computer, because system restore completed successfully. So restart your computer. And now there's no more startup repair error message. Your system has been restored successfully. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, kindly drop a like, a comment, and also subscribe to my channel and help me achieve my goal. Thank you very much. See you in the next one. Peace.